phonics, when we say that's short. Long, A. Short sound, Everybody, show me your fingers. Okay, short sound, long sound, A. This just means short sound, okay? A, E, O, No, U is long. Long. Look. Long. Okay? U, A, E, I, O, U. Good. So short, see, look, short. A, E, O, Alright? Meow. Short. Good. E, O, Sakura. Good. No. Think of umbrella. Yeah. Look. Apple. Elephant. Igloo. Octopus. Umbrella. Okay. Short. E, O, Okay. Now long sound. Long. Ready? Long. Meow. Okay, Sakura. A, I, Good. Nanaka. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Long 13 in our textbooks. It says here, do you want to read, Mio, please? Write
the short word that
letters. Okay, so short A. Let's have a look up here. At. As. Cat. Fan. An. Ant. An. Had. Okay, only words with 2 letters. So, let me ask you, the first one is, what's the first word? Mio?
Cat.
No, okay. At, okay. At. So, does that have 2 letters or 3?
2.
2, okay. So what I want you to do is write 2 letters here. So, at. Next one, as. How many letters?
2.
2. So write 2 letters here. A, S. Okay?